Hello and welcome to another daily Japanese booster pack opening. Happy Friday! We did it! We made it to the weekend! And I'm excited to relax, play some games, open some packs, all the good stuff. Alright, let's see what we start off with today. A Dweeble? I don't know how you guys pronounce this one. I think it's a Dwebble, like a little pebble, but a D W in front of it. Hey, we got the Larion. Finally, to match our Aaron. That's pretty cool. Very peaceful, drinking water. And another Shuppet. Single strike. Shuppet. Nice. Alright. Our uncommon of the day is Psychic. Hypno. Oh, we've seen this one before with its gangster squat pose. That's cool. Alright, so I kind of think I saw a little bit of the edge of it when I was pulling the uncommon. So there may be something cool back here. Let's see. The final card of the pack is... Ooh, is it a double? Potential triple? Looks like a double rare. Oh, it's a triple rare. It doesn't look like, I don't think we got the Calyrex. That's okay. We got the Fighting Sandaconda VMAX. Ooh, look at how nice it looks. Such a beautiful card. Got that cool texture on it. That's so cool. It's a giant tornado snake. Such a funny design Pokemon, but pretty cool. Alright, let's check the binder. Pretty sure we don't have a whole lot today. So we've already got our Dwebble, however you want to pronounce it. Nothing on this side. I think we're going to the Psychic. We've got our Shuppet. We've got our Hypno. And nothing new on this side. Oh, the Sandaconda is going to be on here. So I think number 45 is the... Yeah, so 44. Sandaconda VMAX goes right here. Which means the Sandaconda V is over here. So there's that. Ooh. And we have our Larion. To go with our Aaron Aggron evolution chain. That's cool. And that's it. That's all that's new for today. Making lots of progress. Very cool. Very fun to look at. Alright. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Ooh. Scared my cat. Dropped a bunch of stuff. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I had a lot of fun. Come back here tomorrow for another daily Japanese booster pack opening. Alright, you guys have a good weekend. And I will see you guys next time.